Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 290L2 long wheelbase, 2.2 TDCi 125ps low roof double cab limited van, top spec, fully loaded, long MOT. Fares OR repair. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 56,162. MOT, 17th of January 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Engine is misfiring, diagnosed as down on compression due to a cracked piston. Engine will need repairing or replacing. What a beauty this is. Well worth getting this back on the road. Starstruck, starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, air-con, parking sensors, electric windows, reversing camera, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £14,195.